The busy summer for Jamaica's youth cricketers continues, with the under-15 squad departing the island on Wednesday for Grenada to take part in the regional tournament. Grenada Brown reports.
A visit to Sabina Park on Tuesday afternoon presented the final opportunity to see the 14-member squad selected to take part in the Cricket West Indies under-15 tournament, which will be held in Grenada starting in another few days. The team went through some fielding drills, and comments from Captain Nicolai McKenzie revealed why.
I think the feeling, we need to work on the feeling a bit more. The feeling is not 100 right now, but if we continue to work hard, we can get the feeling up to 100.
Philip Service is the head coach of the team.
You know, they have worked hard, and certainly I am personally optimistic about their performance in the tournament. At the end of the day, they still have to get it together. But the good thing, I think that it's a united bunch of youngsters. They have learned a lot during the tournament, and no doubt they will continue to learn even in the tournament.
Along with a couple of practice games, players also had the opportunity of playing in a competition before leaving.
Well, a couple of them played in the first 2 rounds of the Kingston Wolf. They didn't play yesterday because they would have reported back to camp. And they did fairly well, the majority of them. It was important for us to have them playing in the Kingston Wolves. And in addition to that, they also had some practice games while we had the camp going, and the performance was, I would say, fairly good. It is basically they are at a good place now, and it's just a matter of now if we are able to prepare them mentally to be able to put it together in the tournament.
One such player is fast bowler Joel Williams, who at 6'4" stands tall above the rest of the squad, which could be an asset with the ball.
That's my job as a fast bowler. If I get the new ball, there are a lot of quality fast bowlers here. But if the captain decides that Joel is here there to get the new ball, I expect to go out there, cause some problems, and let the slip card happy, you know.
Delivering a regional title at any level has been an issue for Jamaica's male cricketers, and the coach is tempering expectations surrounding this team.
I know the Jamaican public likes to collect hardware and so on, and to that extent, as you correctly say, they might be a little bit impatient. But let me tell you something. Development is not just about winning trophies. Development is about preparing our players technically, tactically. It's also about preparing them for life. So, you know, yes, we all want to win trophies, and certainly I look forward to the day when we can actually carry one home. But at the end of the day, let us look at the overall development of the players.
Grenada Brown for TVJ Sports.